Use menu blocks to display your restaurant's menus on your site. This is a great alternative to embedding PDF menus, which aren't always as SEO-friendly as text directly on the page. By using special formatting, you can create multiple menus in a single menu block. To add a menu block, edit a page or post, click an insert point, and click Menu, and select a menu template. Edit the text in the Content tab to create your menus, menu sections, and menu items. Use the Design tab to customize the menu design. And use the Formatting Help tab for menu formatting tips. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.